Ladies and gentlemen, a new day and a new dollar. Today we are back to some live trading sessions. Last video I said if this ball went into this hoop, we would come back to our scalping lessons. That's exactly what we're going to get today. 100 a day kind of video. That's what we're going for. While we wait for our market correction and crypto portfolio flip, we're going to be scalping a little bit. So if I get this in today, we will be doing 100 a day trading lesson. So we'll make 100 profit on a 2,000 trading account. Okay, let's see how it goes. I'm not left-handed, I'm right-handed, but I believe in myself. Let's go. Okay, see, rebound multiple times. Let's get right into today's video, guys. As you can see, my account size is going to be 1,800. You guys know what I do, of course. You know I swing trade stocks. I do this full-time. Crypto portfolio as well. When there's opportunity, I'm flipping. But for now, as I said in previous videos, we're going to waste some time, kill some time as we wait for a crypto flip. And we're going to do it by actually being active in the markets. And we're going to scalp and day trade. And we're going to be focused on futures. And I'm going to share with you a strategy in the next couple of videos. So make sure to smash that like button, so the algorithm knows that you want these videos when I release them. By the way, the platform I use has not changed. It's the same as previously, the same one. And a lot of you will get to see it if you look at the description or in the comments. But now you can actually connect the TradingView to trade with the same broker. So this is how it looks like. You can see this is the actual connect. When the platform is connected, this is how it looks like. This is dark mode. And basically you can go ahead, open a buy position and a sell position, and you can search for your US Tech 100 and your Dow Jones. Okay, but for now I'm actually gonna scalp, because with this you don't have to scalp. You can just open actual positions on the daily or for intraday swing and whatnot. But I like scalping. I like quick returns. So this is the platform I use usually. It's pretty simple. Some people like TradingView, but I don't think you can do spread betting with TradingView. You can just you can do CFDs and you still get no commission and the tight fixed spreads. But I'm gonna just go with this, and I'm used to this platform. I'm sure a lot of you are as well. So let's just remove this and go ahead and remove all of the drawings. US Tech 100. That's what we're using, which is the NASDAQ. Now guys, just to give you a quick reminder here, what we're doing here is like almost borderline gambling if you don't follow rules. And we're going to talk about these rules. But first, let us go ahead and map support or resistance. Now, the resistance is going to be the red candle with a wick exposed and a body. So let's go ahead and get a line. And we're going to map resistance right here, okay, to this level. And you can see the market is trying to push, and I'm using a 4-hour time frame. So either here, that's the first one, or here. But we're going to, and you can see the market is trying to go to this level. And this is an uptrend in market, so there's nothing really to map it to. This is all-time high. So here you have to really be clever to time the top of the market or the bottom of it, and to guess which direction it's going. I'm that guy. I'm that guy, right? So we're gonna do this together, right? So here's my support to the liquidity line, and basically what I'm gonna do is, as soon as this tests this level, I'm gonna go in increments, open 2 contracts, 2 contracts, 2 contracts. Okay, so again, I mapped on a higher time frame. Now we go down to 1 hour. You notice this is going to be one of those spring candles. It will dip, grab as much liquidity as possible, and then bounce right back up. I think it will grab it from here, this level, and then it will bounce right back up. So we'll wait. There is still room to drop, by the way. So what I'm going to do, because I identified this is a spring candle, and this is where you have to, become good at reading candles. I guess that's the missing part. It's just reading price action. So I'm going to go with 15-point stop loss. Limit order 20 points because there's space of 30 points. and I'm opening a sell position. I'm going to open 2, and then 6. Okay, so you're going to see now this candle will turn red briefly, and then it will push back up. So here's my account size, or my estimated margin, and my position. Okay, you notice how it moves really fast. So this is now basically going to be one of those quick scalps. This candle should dump briefly to this level, and we're going to be out. We don't have to specifically take 30 points. We could just take whatever the market gives us. We have 6. If we take 10 points, that's 60. Okay, so now that I have, and you can see we're turning into profit, I could just put 6 here, so I can press a sell if it doesn't come to my sell automatically, or I want to get out. I have a sell here, so I'll just have to press buy to close the position automatically. Okay, so we're gonna put 6 here because I'm scalping. This is fixed spreads, and I'm not being charged commission. I can get out without having to wait. Okay, there it goes. I think okay guys, so there we go, $90, 94. I'm gonna start closing here. Okay, there goes the first, and they're all closed automatically. That's $100 profit secured in 4 minutes. Exactly as we said. Now what we could do is keep going, and this is where I just want to give you quick advice here, guys. What we're doing here is like borderline gambling in a way, because we're using extreme leverage, 1 to 200 leverage. And I guess that's something you should avoid if you're spiraled down. A lot of you can make money doing this leverage, but you will lose it, and that's not good. That's not sustainable, and you cannot really make this into a thing if you're gonna lose money constantly after making it. So you have to have your own rules. You have to follow, and you have to withdraw. Like this 100 that I made today, I'll probably take it, enjoy it, and then I'll come back tomorrow or whenever I feel like and do the same thing. But I'm betting on the money, or on my crypto portfolio, or my swing trading, to grow my wealth or grow my account, etc., etc. Okay, but if I want to waste time and kill time, I will come here and do the scalping thing. So that's me done, guys. Appreciate you for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed this. If you want part 2, smash that like button so the algorithm knows, and I'll put this video in a playlist where you'll see my videos constantly. Bye bye. See you guys.